let us understand about predefined data type and values. What is that one? Predefined data types and values. Very important concept. We must understand this one properly. Observe. What is this predefined data types? Okay, I hope data types are by default known to our Java called as what? Predefined data types. What is data type? Data type means getting space from memory. Now let us see how many predefined data types we are having and how much space we are going to get, and each data type value. Okay, we know that char is called one predefined data type. Okay, char is called one predefined data type, and we know byte is one more data type, and short is also one more data type. For short, how much space it will get from memory? That is short data type. How much space it will get? We will discuss all of those things slowly, one by one. Later, we are having one more data type called as one int, and we are having one more data type long, and we are having one more data type float. Other one is what? Double. And remaining data types Boolean, string, also considered as what? Predefined data types. Okay. Now observe. I discuss this all predefined words in terms of data types and also in terms of values. In terms of what? Values. Okay. So now observe here. How much byte data type gets spaced? 1 byte from the memory. How much short will get? 2 bytes. It will get 2 bytes from the memory. It gets 2 bytes from the memory. How much interval get? 4 bytes from the memory. How much long will get? 8 bytes. Byte data type. This is what? Predefined words strictly. Okay. Predefined words are acting as data types as well as predefined data type values. Okay. Now, byte data type gets 1 byte of data, space. Short data type gets 2 bytes of space. Int will get 4 bytes of space. Long will get 8 bytes of space. Float will get 4 bytes of space. Double will get 8 bytes of space. Float will get 4 bytes. Okay, float will get how many bytes? 4 bytes. Double will get 8 bytes of space. Please make sure what is data type. Data type means getting space from memory. It's called as what? Getting space from memory called as what? Data type. That is called as memory allocation strictly. Yes or no? Yes. Getting space from memory called as data type. Now these and all the predefined words we are discussing in terms of data type. Yes or no? Yes. By data type gets 1 byte space. Short data type gets 2 bytes of space. Int data type gets 4 bytes of space. Long data type gets 8 bytes of space. Float data type gets 4 bytes of space. Double data type gets 8 bytes of space from memory. Okay. Now, Mr. How much our char data type gets space? Means simple. Observe. It gets 2 bytes. How much? It gets what? How many bytes? 2 bytes. It gets 2 bytes of space from the memory. Our char will get char data type get 2 bytes of memory. Okay. Now let us talk about data type values. Talk about data type values. Okay. Before I go for those data type values, observe here. Just the 8 in our mathematics called as what? Which value? Integer value, otherwise decimal value. Just the 8 is called as what? Integer value or decimal value. Okay. And this fractional, I mean this dot things are called as what? This 8.8 is called as what? Fractional values. Called as what? Fractional values. Okay. 8 is called as in our mathematics decimal value or integer value. 8.8 is called as what? Fractional value, otherwise real value, imaginary value. Okay, but remember fractional element. Okay, now coming to int value. Hello mister, how to write int value? Okay, observe, not difficult, observe. Any decimal value called as what? Int value, that's all. Okay, what is that? Any integer or decimal value called as what? Called as what? Int value. Okay, called as what? Int value. Now coming to long value. Okay, any decimal value with small l or capital L. Okay, this one is what? Small l. This one is what? Small l. Okay, so any integer or decimal, okay, value with small l or capital L called as what? Long value. Called as long value. Now coming to float value, observe, simple, observe here. Any fractional value, okay, with small f or capital F called as float value. Called as what? Float value. Called as what? Float value. Now coming to double value. Okay, coming to double value. What is double value means? Observe how to write double value means. 8.8D or capital D called as double value. Otherwise, just a fraction. If you write 8.8D with a small d or capital D, double value only. 8.8 is also treated or is also double value. Okay. Observe here. What is int value? Integer or decimal value called as int value in Java program. This one is this representation in our mathematics. Okay. Now this is what our Java, this entire thing. Okay, this entire thing is what our Java. Okay, this entire thing is what our Java. Okay, now observe. Just integer or decimal value is int value. Integer or decimal value with the small l or capital L called as what? Long value. Fraction with small f or capital F called as float value. Fraction value with small d or capital D called as what? Double value. With small d or capital D called as what? Called as double value. Okay, Mr. Coming to byte and then short value. Yes, I speak about it later. Okay, observe first. Let us understand first char value. What is that? Char value. Please observe. Any single character within single quotation called as char value. Okay, what is that? Any single character, that is alphabet, within single quotation called as what? Char value. Okay, called as what? Char value. Otherwise, one more thing is there, or any digit. What is that? Any digit within single quotation. Any digit within single quotation called as what? Char value. Otherwise, one more thing is there. Any special operator or any operator within single quotation called as what? Called as what? Char value. Any special character or any operator. Okay, let us say question mark within single quotation, it is what? Char value only. It is considered as what? Char value only. Okay, understood? Any single character or single alphabet within single quotation called as char value. Here you can take uppercase alphabets also. Otherwise, any digit, single digit within single quotation called as char value. Any operator or any special operator or special symbol or special character within single quotation called as what? Char value only. Called as what? Char value. Okay. So this is what our char value. Okay. This is what our char value. What is char value? Any single alphabet or character within single quotation called as char value. Any digit, that is single digit within single quotation called as char value, or any special operator or an operator or a special character within single quotation called as what? Char value. Okay, char value. Called as what? Char value. Okay, called as what? Char value. Now coming to byte sort value. Okay, byte sort value. Please make sure there is no separate way to write byte sort value. Okay, just the integer values. Please make sure integer values greater than or equal to, that is integer values which are within the range 3 to 768, that is minus 3 to 76, 8 to 3 to 767 are called as short value. Okay, understood? Any value within this range called as what? Short value. Understood? I hope you understood. Okay, any value within this range called as what? Short value. Now what is byte value? Same thing, there is no explicit way. Observe here. Any value within the range minus 128 to 127 called as byte value. Please make sure. Short value means what? Short value means what? Any integer value within the range. Within the range 3 to, that is minus 3 to 768 to 3 to 767 called as what? Short value. Coming to byte value, any value within the range minus 128 to 127 called as byte value. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, now observe here carefully. Observe this part carefully. Very important. Okay, observe. Very important. In coming classes, I will use this thing a lot. Observe this part. This is 1 byte, right? Space right at memory. 2 byte space. 4 byte, 8 byte, 4 byte, 8 byte. Now please make sure. 10 liters of milk. 10 liters of milk can be stored in 20 liters of can? Yes, of course we can store. Yes or no? Yes. 10 liters of milk can be, 10 liters of milk can be stored in 20 liters of can. Now please observe here. 1 byte of data can be stored in 2 bytes. Yes. 1 block of data can be stored in 2 blocks. Yes. 8 blocks of data can be stored in 16 blocks. Yes, possible. And also please make sure child troubles are solvable by parents. Yes or no? Yes. Child troubles are solvable by parents. So now observe here. Can I tell? Observe here. 1 is a child to 2. Yes. 2 is child to 4. Yes. 4 is child to 8. Yes. 8 is child to 4. Hello. Please wait here. Please wait. Observe. Really, this 4 is having ability. Yes, this 4 is having what? Ability to store 8 bytes of long. I mean 8 bytes of data in 4 bytes. This 4 bytes is telling on top. Hello, I don't have 8 bytes of space. I have only 4 bytes. But internally, float has 8 byte space. Yes, internally. On top it is telling like, it is lying to us. What is that? No, I have only 4 bytes. But internally that 4, that is float related to that float is having 8 bytes. Okay, internally it is having what? 8. Internal structure is what? Different. Okay, internal structure is what? Different. It has the capacity to store what? 8 bytes of data. Understood? This 8 liters of milk can be stored in 4. That is 4 liters of can means no. But internally, this float has ability to store this 8 bytes because this is the 4 bytes on top. It is telling on top, hello, I don't have 8 bytes, but internally it has what? 8 bytes. Okay, so 8 is also 8 bytes of data can be stored in this 4 bytes. Internal structure is what? Internally it is what? 8 bytes. Okay, it has the capacity quickly. Okay, it has the capacity. Now, this 4 bytes also can be stored in 8, no doubt. Okay, so this is what observe here. 1 is child to 2, 2 is child to 4, 4 is child to 8, 8 is child to 4, 4 is child to 8. If you do observe all of these things, this double float, long in, short byte cap are all what? Mirror of this memory space. Yes, mirror of what? Memory space. And I can drag this these 2 bytes also as what? Child to this 4 bytes. Yes, I can put, no doubt. Now, if you do observe this thing properly, I can tell byte is child to short, char is child to int, short is child to int is child to long is child to float is child to double. Yes, we can tell because these data types are mirrors of this memory spaces. Yes or no? Yes, we can tell. Okay, please observe, we can tell. Now, coming to, I hope you understood this one. Observe, this predefined word discussed in 2 concepts. One is data types, other one is values. Now, byte, short, char, int, long, float, double are what? Predefined words. These words we discussed in 2 concepts. One is what? Data type. Other one is what? Value. Observe here. This byte data type, how much space it will get? 1 byte. Short will get 2 bytes. Int will get 2 bytes. Char will get 2 bytes. Long will get 8 bytes. Float will get 4 bytes. Double will get 8 bytes. Double will get how many? How much space? 8 bytes. Okay. Now, coming to values. How to write values? In our mathematics, 8 is called as what? Just integer value or decimal value. 8.8 is called as what? Fractional value. Otherwise, real value or imaginary value. Okay. Just remember fractional enough. Now, how to write int value means integer value in our mathematics is what? Int value in Java. Integer value in mathematics is what? Int value in Java. Now, what is long value? Integer value is small l or capital L called as long value. Then coming to float value, fractional value is small f or capital F is what? Fractional value. Coming to double value, what is this one? Fractional value with small d or capital D is called as double value. One more way is there, just a fractional value is called as double value in Java. Please make sure. In our mathematics, 8.8 is what? One fractional value. In Java, 8.8 is called as double value. Okay, it is called as what? Double value. Coming to char value, any alphabet, that is single alphabet within single quotation, okay, called as char value. Then coming to other value, that is other char value, just 8 within single quotation, called as what? Char value. Okay, now that is any digit within single quotation called as char value. Now coming to this one, any special operator that is predefined operator, any special character within single quotation called as what? Char value. Called as what? Char value. Okay, called as what, everybody? Called as char value. Now coming to short and byte, there is no way to represent byte and short values. But if you write any integer value which is within this range, -327,682, 32767, it is considered as short value. If you write any value within -1282 to 127 range, it is what? Byte value. Okay, it is what? Byte value. Now observe, coming to Boolean and string data type. How much our Boolean data type gets space? How much Boolean data type gets space from memory? It is 1 byte. Okay, it is what? 1 byte. How much our string will get? Please make sure, unlimited. What is that? Unlimited. Okay, this is what? Unlimited. Our Boolean data type gets 1 byte of space. Our string will get unlimited space. Now coming to values. What are Boolean values? What are Boolean values? How to write Boolean values means just a true. False is called as what? Boolean values. Okay, called as what? Boolean values. Now coming to string values. Any number of characters within single quotation called as what? It is called as what? String value. Any number of characters. Okay, group of characters within single quotation called as what? String value. You can take what? A special operator, an operator, a digit, any upper and lower case in a sequence way, and they must be within what? Within double quotation. They must be within what? Double quotation. This is what? Our string data type space, that is unlimited. Boolean data type space 1 byte. Boolean values true, false. Coming to value, string value within double quotation, group of values, and that is a group of characters. Group of characters called as string value. Now observe here. This is what our predefined data type values and their data type, that is predefined words with data types and values. Now let us understand about categorization, about the data types, about what? Data types. Observe this part. Our data types are categorized into three groups. One is what? Predefined data type. Other one is what? Derived data type. Otherwise called as array. Otherwise called as what? Array. Later this one is called as what? User data type. Called as what? User data type or class. Okay, this is what? One classification, that is one categorization, that is three categories. Okay, first step division. Okay, or first step or one categorization. Okay, now observe here. How many categories? Three categories. Predefined data type, derived data type, user data type. Now observe this one. Once again, this predefined data type categorized into two types. What are those means? Observe, numeric data type. Other one is non-numeric data type. What is that one? Numeric data type. Other one is what? Non-numeric data type. Non-numeric data type. Non-numeric data type. Observe. Non-numeric data type. Numeric data type. Now this numeric data type. This numeric data type once again categorized into two types. Yes. Just make sure data types are categorized into three groups: predefined data type, derived data type, user data type. Coming to predefined data type, it is categorized into two groups. Okay, what is that? Numeric data type, non-numeric data type. Okay, numeric data type, non-numeric data type. Now coming to numeric data type, it is categorized into once again two. What is that means? Integer data type. Other one is floating point data type. What is that one? Floating point data type. Floating point data type. Floating point data type. Floating point data type. This is what our categorization related to data type. Any programming language, they have this categorization. Now, which and all the predefined words we learn under these categories means observe. Under integer data type, we learn about, we discuss or we understand about byte, short, in, long. Okay, long. Byte, short, in, long. Under floating point category, we discuss float, double. Now under non-numeric, what is that? Char, boolean, and also string. Okay, and also string. Under derived data type, we discuss about array. Under user data type, class. Okay, that is what class. This is what categorization of our data type.